very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Crypto winter hits the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin on track to post its first monthly gain since July. DogeCoin replaces Cardano as sixth largest cryptocurrency. UAE Central Bank completes CBDC pilot, eyes international usage for cross-border payments. Thailand and Hungary partnered to promote blockchain tech in financial sector. Crypto Lobbyist Group Blockchain Association asks court for permission to support Ripple against SEC case. Visa files trademark application for crypto wallets, NFTs and Metaverse. Ethereum scaling platform ZK Sync V2 goes live amid controversy. Bank of America seeks crypto public policy expert to draft bill spot key risk to business. Genesis loan organization down 79% during crypto winter. Back to report charges of up to $1.4 billion in Q3. Cryptocurrency market traded lower. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $71.81 billion, which makes a 21.59% decrease. The total volume in DeFi is currently $4.05 billion, 5.64% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoin is now $64.39 billion, which is 89.66% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 38.99%, an increase of 0.04% over the day. Although it is not the October that some crypto bulls hoped for, Bitcoin is up by 5.74% in the past 7 days in October, its first positive month since July. However, BTC was trading at $20,491, down by 1.4% in the past 24 hours. The largest cryptocurrencies break above $20,000 for the first time in 18 days last week, fueled by liquidations of traders who had bet on further price decline. A so-called short squeeze has rekindled a bullish mood. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, traded at $1,572, down by 2.65%. All the other major altcoins traded lower. Furthermore, cryptocurrency traders, like their counterparts in traditional finance, will be anticipating the Federal Reserve's next monetary policy meeting, which is set to conclude on Wednesday. Traders in federal funds futures contracts are almost certain the US Central Bank will raise interest rates by 75 basis points this week, according to CME pricing. But there is growing speculation that officials will slow the pace of increase in December. Doge has surpassed Ethereum competitor Cardano's native token ADA to become the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency, with a rally to 6-month highs. Since October 25th, the price of Doge has increased 150% from $0.0594 to $0.15, with the price increasing 74% in the last 24 hours. Doge, which began as a joke in 2013, had a market cap of about $17.5 billion at the time of publication, while ADA has a market cap of $14.5 billion. Doge's market cap currently exceeds that of more than 120 members of the S&P 500. In collaboration with the central banks of 4 countries, the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates has completed the world's largest pilot of central bank digital currencies. The multinational CBDC pilot was part of Project M-Bridge, in which central banks from Thailand, Hong Kong and China participated. Over 20 commercial banks from the participating countries participated in the pilot, which lasted 6 weeks and recorded over $21 million in transactions. The Thai FinTech Association and Hungary's Blockchain Coalition have signed a memorandum of understanding to help new technologies enter their respective financial markets. The agreement was signed during the first edition of the Thai-Hungarian FinTech Forum, Powering the Financial Revolution Together. The Hungarian embassy organized the event to showcase financial technology services. Thailand will gain more experience through future collaboration with Hungarian companies. It will also assist both countries in the future in initiating new ideas or services. On October 28, the Blockchain Association, a crypto lobbying group based in Washington, D.C., requested permission to support Ripple as a friend of the court in its ongoing defense against the Securities and Exchange Commission. Since then, the case has gone through several procedural motions and the parties have recently filed their motions for summary judgment. On October 28th, the Blockchain Association requested permission to join the case as well as the actual amicus brief from the court overseeing the case. According to a memorandum of law in support of the motion for leave, the actual brief highlights various use of crypto tokens within the industry rather than just Ripple. Visa has filed 2 trademark applications with the United States Patent and Trademark Office concerning digital wallets, non-fungible tokens, and the Metaverse. Part of one of the applications seeks trademark for software for management of digital transactions, use as a digital currency wallet and storage services software, use as a cryptocurrency wallet, and managing and verifying cryptocurrency transactions using blockchain technology. While another seeks trademarks for providing temporary use of non-downloadable software for users to view, access, store, monitor, manage, trade, send, receive, and transact in cryptocurrencies. Other applications concern non-downloadable virtual goods and a collectible series of non-fungible tokens, as well as providing virtual environments in which users can interact for recreational, leisure, or entertainment purposes accessible in the virtual world. The applications were submitted on October 22nd. Matter Labs released the long-awaited second version of its Ethereum scaling platform zk-Sync on October 28th after a 100-day countdown. In the run-up to the much-anticipated Baby Alpha launch, zk-Sync, an Ethereum roll-up network that allows users to transact quickly and cheaply without sacrificing security, faced a barrage of criticism from skeptics and competitors skeptical of its most audacious technology claims. Matter Labs marketing has come under the fire for positioning the zk-Sync V2 platform as the first of its kind to launch on Ethereum's mainnet, beating out fast-approaching competitors Polygon and Scroll. Bank of America is looking for a crypto policy expert to monitor digital asset regulation and identify key risks that fintech may pose to its business. The job posting for a public policy analysis and insight manager for cryptocurrency comes as large institutions and lawmakers take a closer look at digital assets. We seek a policy analysis and insights manager who will identify emerging issues and evaluate the potential impact to the enterprise, with a primary focus on fintech, cyber, artificial intelligence, crypto, stablecoins, blockchain, Bank of America wrote in the job posting. The candidate for Bank of America's crypto job would oversee analyzing policy proposals, drafting legislation, developing advocacy strategies, and forming industry coalitions. The move comes as policymakers in Washington, D.C. consider new crypto regulations. Genesis, a crypto firm, reported a steep decline in loan organizations and trading volumes in the third quarter of the year, following several tumultuous months for crypto industry marked by bankruptcy and crashes at a few major companies. Loan organizations at Genesis fell to $8.4 billion in the third quarter of the year, which lasted from July 1st to September 30th. This represents a 79% decrease from the previous quarter's loan organizations of $40.4 billion. Genesis did not respond to a comment request. Genesis also experienced a smaller drop in trading volumes. Spot trading declined from $17.2 billion in the second quarter to $9.6 billion in the third quarter, a 44% dip. Furthermore, several Genesis executives have stepped down in recent months. According to a Securities and Exchange Commission file dated October 28th, digital asset management platform Bakkt will incur a $1.3 billion to $1.4 billion impairment in the third quarter. Intercontinental Exchange, its majority shareholders, stated in the filing that it intends to reduce its investment in Bakkt from $1.5 billion at the end of June to around $400 million at the end of September. ICE stated that the resulting charge will have no effect on adjusting earnings. According to the filing, Bakkt also intends to take a charge of $150 million to $160 million on certain indefinite-lived intangible assets. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching 3.0 TV.